So the classic Christmas topper collection is right here, and the matching inserts. Now the inserts are going to be the same imagery as what you're going to see on the printed Adorable Scorables. So I won't go through all of them, but I did mention that there are bonuses. After all, this is their blockbuster. So what you get in the Christmas Classics is 129 foiled toppers. There's also foiled die cuts. There's also 10 foiled Adorable Scorable and 10 printed, and the idea sheet. So usually there are, for the price, you get 8 of these, but in this case for Christmas they give you 10. And you can see now, classic Christmas, you're going to see these houses for Christmas, and you can see the nested cutting die cuts, as well as the greetings and so forth. So here's the first one, which is called Christmas Time. And then you see the matching foiled Adorable Scorable, and the also coordinating printed Adorable Scorable. Those are going to be in the inserts also. And then we have Goodwill to All. Isn't that pretty, with a stained glass look? And again, the foiled and the printed. Okay, now we're going to go We Three Kings, and this foiling is really pretty. It's different. It's not solid. It's got a design on it. And this is the foiled piece, and here is the printed. Again, that will match the inserts. This is From Our Home to Yours. Very pretty, very useful, and that's what's really nice about this. And you see the foiled, and then here is the printed. Okay, this is Poinsettia for You. And again, as I said, there are 129 foiled. There are 10 of the Adorable Scorable that's foiled, and there are 10 that are printed. So you just get more for the same amount of money. That's their Christmas gift. Cozy by the Fire, although I guess in England they spell cozy with an S instead of a Z. And there you go, and there is the printed. Okay, now we have White Robins, or When Robins Appear. Isn't that pretty? And the foiled and the printed. And we have some Eat, Drink, and Be Merry, and the foiled and the printed. And then we have Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Isn't that pretty? And the printed. And then we have Santa, very jolly and happy. And there's the foiled, as you can see. And whoops, and there's another foiled. So I probably messed something up, but usually you get a foiled and a print in each one. Now, with this, there is also the 50 Adorable Scorable sheets, and just to let you see that. So there's the variety of colors. You get 2 of each one, so you're going to get 25 colors, and they are designed to go with all 4 of the selections from the Christmas bonanza. So that's what we have. Christmas Classics, and again, they are 1/4 of the 80 projects in the Crafting with Hunkydory magazine. All of these are just beginning our Christmas celebration.